Hello, boys and girls. Today for book time, we are going to listen to this book. And the title is Raindrop Plop. Let's get started. Raindrop Plop by Wendy Cheyette Lewison, illustrated by Pam Paparone. One little raindrop, dark, dark sky. Two little raindrops, clouds go by. Three little raindrops, splat, splat, splat. Four little raindrops, boots and hat. Five little raindrops, shiny red coat. Six little raindrops, bright blue boat. Seven little raindrops, plop in a cup. 8 little raindrops, umbrella up. 9 little raindrops, puddle fun. 10 little raindrops, still no sun. Too many raindrops, run, run, run. Back in the house now, that is that. Off with the raincoat, off with the hat. 10 little toes in a nice warm tub. 9 soapy bubbles, scrub a dub dub. Eight fluffy towels, soft and white. 7 brass buttons, shining bright. 6 tiny marshmallows float in a cup. 5 small pretzels, gobble them up. 4 furry squirrels want something to eat. 3 hungry birds, tweet, tweet, tweet. 2 bright eyes, what do they see? Out of the window, out by the tree. Raindrops stopping one by one. No more raindrops. Sun, sun, sun. And that's the end of Raindrop Plop. Okay, boys and girls, now I'm going to ask you some questions, and I want you to pause the video as you answer the questions out loud. Number 1, who is in the story? Number 2, what did the girl do outside when it was raining? Number 3. What did the girl do once she was inside her house? Number 4. What did the girl do once it stopped raining? Okay, everyone, I really hope that you enjoyed today's book time. See you guys later.